This is not just any unboxing. Today, I am holding the Canon EOS C400, a camera I've been dreaming about for months. Akuna Matata, my friend. Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new, I am called Basia. And today, we are unboxing something special, something that I've been waiting for, the Canon EOS C400. All right, so let's go get the camera first. But getting it was not just small feat. After a journey across the city on the London Underground, I made my way to Park Camera. Once I reached Park Cameras, I spoke to the team. They are always friendly and ready to help.
I'm going to collect up the order. Yeah.
After the payment is settled, there was a bit of wait.
Won't be too long, sir.
All right, thank you. C400.
With time to kill, I started looking around, scanning the shelves, checking out a few cameras bags. Maybe I need a new camera bag for the Canon C400. Lenses, maybe cinema lenses. Wondering if this was truly the right choice.
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
And
Take care.
then here it is, fully wrapped up and ready for our journey together. Let's see if the Canon EOS C400 lives up to the dream.
A few moments later.
So we got a knife. We'll start the unboxing now. So now let's get into the proper unboxing. Okay. All right. So what do we have in the box? So that's everything that we have in the box are just here. And let's start with the star. You know, the star of the show. It is the camera. It's the body of the camera, the C400. So here it is. That is the C400. And take it out carefully. Let's move the box aside. So let's open it. Ho 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 ho. Oh. Ooh. Let me put that aside. Hooray! That's it. That is you have right here. This is it. The Canon EOS C400 body. Right away, you feel the build quality. It's sturdy, it is professional, and it feels like it was made to last. This is not just a camera. It is a workhorse for anyone serious about video production. Next one is the top handle grip. All right. So here you have it. The top handle grip. So that's the top handle grip. Next, we have the handheld unit, which adds stability for handheld work or low-angle shots. It is ergonomic and feels solid, making the C400 easier to maneuver when every shot matters. Here is the camera grip with its attachment ring, which let me adjust it just where I need it. It's all about control and comfort. Canon designed this for creators who need flexibility in every shot. All right, next one, let's look at the LCD monitor. So I think that's the LCD monitor. Yeah, so that is the LCD monitor. Wow. Let's attach the LCD monitor to the handle. And here is the LCD monitor, and it's fully articulating, giving me flexibility to frame shot from nearly any angle. This is going to make a huge difference when I am in location, capturing scene from all perspectives. Canon has included the MC5U monitor cable to connect the screen to the body. It is these small, thoughtful additions that keep everything running smoothly during a shoot. Let's see what next we have. So that's everything. That's everything that left in the box. So take them out. And that is the mount for microphone. Then we have the microphone holder with screws, which mount right on the handle. Audio is just as important as the visuals, and having an excellent microphone ready to go is a massive asset. So that's the charger. That's the cable for the charger. More cable for the charger. That's a plug charger for Europe. That is a plug charger for the UK. All those are important. The CG-A20 charger keeps everything ready to go. Compact and easy to carry. It is ideal for ensuring that I am always powered up, no matter how long the shoot runs. The CA-CP300B power adapter let me connect the camera directly to the AC power, perfect for studio settings where battery life isn't a concern. And that is the battery. Yes, that is the battery. Next, we have the BP-A60N battery, known for lasting through long days of shooting. It is the power behind the camera, keeping me focused on the action without worrying about recharging. So that's a new battery, the BP-A60N, and that is the old previous battery, the BP-A60. That's the one that I have for the Canon C70, and that is the new one. Need to be charged. So we're gonna charge it, and this one is fully charged. The body cap protects the sensor when lens isn't attached. A simple yet essential part of keeping the camera clean and ready to go between setup. And finally, the user manual. The Canon EOS C400 is packed with advanced features and customization options. This guide will help me explore everything this camera has to offer. First, let me get a lens. All right. Now we have a lens. Put on a lens. So you're gonna put on a lens to see the thing. Red lens. So now I'm gonna connect the battery that is already fully charged. All right, so now we're gonna turn the Canon C400 on so that we can set up the time and everything that we need to. So ready? All right. So I'm just gonna quickly configure the date and the time. So is it touch screen? Yes, it's a touch. Canon has thought of everything with this setup, including each component needed to make the C400 production ready right out of the box. From the handle unit to the tab measurement hook, every detail is carefully crafted to support creators like us. But this is only the start. I'll be taking the Canon C400 out into the field to put it through its paces in the real world and see if it lives up to its reputation. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe so you don't miss that. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. The Canon C400 journey is just beginning.